The thermostatically controlled heat of Gro-Quick electric soil warming cables gently speeds germination and seedling growth to produce large, healthy plants ready for transplanting. Use indoors or out to provide a head start to the regular growing season. Gro-Quick resistance electric soil warming cables should be buried in soil or soil-based mixtures so that no portion of the colored heating section is visible while in use. Taking a few minutes to understand all the directions will assure proper installation and trouble-free use of the warming cable. Gro-Quick cables come in a full range of easy-to-install sizes. Using the area of your planting bed, select the proper cable length from this chart. For areas not listed in this chart, consider using more than one cable. Do not attempt to use a single cable in more than one flat tray or bed. Gro-Quick soil warming cables should be laid out in the form of a continuous loop, starting and ending at the electrical power cord set connection. The desired pattern is to have runs and open loops, so the cable is always approximately 3 inches from itself. The cable must never be allowed to touch, cross itself, or overlap. This will cause the cable to overheat and possibly fail. Do not attempt to lengthen, splice, or shorten the cable. Gro-Quick soil warming cables are equipped with a thermostat located near the midpoint of the cable. The best location for the thermostat will be halfway between the center of the container and outer edge of the container. Do not apply power to the Gro-Quick soil warming cable while it is coiled. Once the unit has been completely straightened, it may be energized to facilitate installation in cooler weather. Best results will be achieved by attaching the cable to hardware cloth or aeration screen. Additional tools you may need include ties, scissors, and gloves. Here is the proper method to attach the cable using ties to secure the cable to the screen. Add an inch or so of bedding material to the bottom of the container, and then place the screen inside the flat with the warming cable facing down. This will help protect the cable from being moved or damaged by tools used to cultivate and remove plants. Add about 3 more inches of soil and level. Now you're ready to add the seeds or plants to the soil. Mark the thermostat position with a stick to help avoid damage from the use of tools. Once everything is in place, connect the warming cable to a convenient power supply. Insert a soil thermometer to the approximate depth of the cable and monitor the temperature in several locations. To ensure that the Quick Grow soil warming cable performs properly, moisture level in the soil must be maintained. The use of plastic tools for seeding, cultivating, and harvesting is encouraged. Use care to avoid contact with the buried cable and the thermostat. Soil warming cable must not lay in standing water. When the planting bed is not in use, disconnect the power to the soil warming cable to conserve energy. For additional information about this product, refer to the enclosed instructions or visit www.wrap-on.com.